All right, welcome back to the Real Estate Solar Solutions YouTube channel. My name is Rock Thomas, and today I want to talk to you about some of the statistics that are out there. Currently, there is about 4 to 5 million residential homes out of the 100 million homes that have solar on it. Approximately 200,000 of those are going to sell this year. And so somewhere out there, there are transactions taking place where most people, based on our research, have no idea what they're doing. And what this means is that the real estate agent is naive. It's not that they want to create a problem, it's just that they haven't been educated. There's nowhere that people are getting educated other than through our academy. And therefore, they're trying to package something and they don't know the details. We've looked at tons of listings and we have yet to find one that is being represented accurately. What the realtor needs is they need to get a copy of the contract of purchase of the system. And in some cases, sadly, those solar companies are out of business, or the paperwork is sloppy, or the purchaser can't remember the conditions under which they purchased it, and therefore they don't have that information. The second thing that the agent needs is they need to have a copy of your last 12 months of your utility bill. And when you have that, you're allowed to create a picture so that the purchaser can see the benefits. They can see the savings based on if they were to purchase that home without a solar system. So once you have all of those things together, you can agree and negotiate on a fair price to pay for the system. What's interesting is that when the Inflation Reduction Act was passed, it was really a birth that came after what Arnold Schwarzenegger had started back in 2006, I believe it was. And he had all kinds of people like Deepak Chopra and a bunch of celebrities from Hollywood that piggybacked on that and was driving this thing that I guess Al Gore kind of, originated with his Inconvenient Truth. And since then, it's trickled through North America, and there is this definite drive toward renewable energy, which makes a lot of sense. A lot of people don't know that the electricity that we burn comes from coal. So think about this. You go out and buy yourself an electrical vehicle, and you charge it at your house. But in order to charge it, they burn coal, or they use hydroelectricity where there's a lack of good water to be used to create that, or natural gas, which all emits carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And it really is counterintuitive. It doesn't create the result that we want. And yet there's this free source of energy, the sun, that is available, certainly in California, Arizona, Texas, and Florida, in abundance. So here's the thing, is if you're going to go solar, yes, panels do require that they mine some materials and create some carbon emissions through that, but it is a fraction compared to what's currently happening. So our goal is to help you understand that if you're going to go ahead and go solar, that there is a really, really good way to do it. But more importantly, when you go to sell your house with solar on it, how do you package that so that the purchaser understands what to do? So on these videos on this channel, what we're going to do is we're going to explain bit by bit the different elements so you, the homeowner, and you, the realtor, can successfully package the solar system for the prospective buyer. So make sure that you subscribe and like to this channel so you can stay informed.